Hi everyone, this is a video about this LED light with remote control. This is the pack of 4 and the price each of them is about under £5, and when you purchase 4 of them is under £14, and is really good and is remote controlled submersible LED lights with 16 different colors, and each of them has 10 LEDs, and is the remote. It doesn't have to be in the line of sight, and you can just turn it on wherever in the same room that you are, and is really handy for some applications. So I open this and we see I get one of them out, and then the paper, and then I think one of them I installed the battery in there. Let's see. So I put this aside. Let's see, this is the remote control. And remember, if you buy 4 of these, you get 4 of these as well. So this is how it goes. You turn it on. It will just turn this light off, and you can see the lights. And with the remote is very effective. You see, I am pointing it somewhere else, and I am pressing it. But you remember, the battery is really important. If the battery is not new, it might affect the receiving of the remote control. And it has 16 lights, and the white, this is the white, and you can change the intensity within 4 stages, and this is the lowest and this is the highest. That's it. And then you can choose either of these, or the white, or different effects. This one is the flash. The first one is flash. The second one is a strobe. I don't know about the strobe, but it's not bad. And the other one is fade in and out, and is fading in and out of every single color that we have here. And then the last one is smooth. When you press the smooth, it's just going through all the colors. So this is a submersible. Let me just turn the light on. So this is the submersible. Let me just turn this also off. And I open this. You can screw this. It has gaskets, plastic gaskets here, to avoid water going inside there. It's a little bit of weight, metal weight here, that is making it heavy to just sink. And this is the receiver of the remote, and these are the battery. And I'm afraid nothing much to see. And this is the gasket. Let me just see if it can focus. And this is the gasket. We don't have any gaskets here, and this is just for covering all the inside. And it says, please, there are some instruction: twist us tightly, close and open, 3 AAA batteries, submersible LEDs. And it doesn't matter if you don't want to use it on the water. You can just you don't have to tighten it so hard. But in general, it's a very nice item to have for partying, or you can put this under the vase that you put your flowers in, and it's going to make it nice. Also, you can put this in the bath or something for the kids to just have fun with. But in general, I just needed a light that is remote controlled, and I come across this, and I thought, okay, the quality is really good, is worth purchasing it, and that's why I purchased this. And this is the paper that it comes with, and all the instructions. I'm afraid one side is in German, I think, or French, and the other side is in English. So you can read all of this at your leisure, and that's it. And it's made in China, and that submersible thing is a really good thing, but it has to be very, very careful to just put this, forgetting the tightness of this, because the gasket at the end is going to look up to here is loose, and then here it starts to just tighten. And because it has some sort of angles on the sides, you can either put it this way or this way. So it's really good. I fully recommend this for the price. 4 of them for just, under £14 is a really good deal. And I hope those German or French readers, they can enjoy also this side, and this is once again the other side. So this is supposed to be a short video about this, and I purchased this on eBay, and it came really fast, next day delivery. It was beautiful because I was waiting for this, and the reason that I bought this, I wanted to have a backlight on some sort of display, and that's why I purchased this. Once again, I just turn it on and you will see the red, green and blue, and the transition through all the 16 colors. Anyhow, I hope you like this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.